Too many toys. Can you help us? I am tired. Too many toys. Oh, Leo, so many toys on the floor. I don't know where to start. Don't be sad. Let's ask them to walk. The car is moving!
One, two, three, march with me into the basket, happy as can be. Big toys, small toys in a line. Now our room is looking fine.
No, Mr. Bear! The basket is for toys. The closet is for clothes. Stay here with your friends, Mr. Bear. Is your room clean? Let's tidy up together. See you next time for more magic. Goodbye. Happy dreaming. Bye-bye.